You need to email me. Do. You need to email me. Do. Dear Cat, my cat hates the mailman. How do you feel about mailmen? From Christiana K. from Springfield, Iowa. Well, Christiana, as a cat myself, I am very territorial. I mean, this is my house, right? My castle. I have to protect it. But listen, I'm no monster. I just gotta give the mailman a little spook, you know? Oh, speaking of which, the mail's almost here. I'll be back. Piano. Oh boy, here he comes. Time to give this guy a good old-fashioned scare. Package for Ladybug? What's going on? Where am I? Quiet, you! What are you doing in my home?
I'm delivering a package for Ladybug.
Delivering a package, huh? Who sent you?
The U.S. Postal Service.
Ah! I knew it. They've been after me for years.
Please, sir, I have a family.
A family, huh? Well, so do I. And a package for Ladybug sounds like the perfect excuse to infiltrate my home and assassinate my family!
Please stop.
Hey, Cat, did my package come?
Oh yeah, it's right here.
Oh, please help me. Please.
Hi, Mr. Sanchez.
No, don't go, please.
Quiet, you! Who are you working for?
I'll do anything.
Anything, huh? Bye, Mr. Sanchez. Same time tomorrow. So there you have it, Christiana. I may be a superhero, but I'm not above a good old-fashioned, light-hearted prank. All right. Who wants pizza? It's on me!
Yang! Yang, come here! What is it? Look, if I eat enough of the cereal, I get a prize. A prize, Yang, for eating!
Yeah, but don't you have to eat like 100 boxes of the stuff?
101, actually, but we can do it.
We? No. I'm not eating any of that garbage.
Come on, Yang. I can't resist the call of the prize.
Yes, I can. I can resist the call of the prize. I'm not eating that garbage.
We'll see. We'll see.
How goes it?
Not bad. I made some coffee.
Oh, nice. What the heck? Did you put cereal in the coffee?
I need help, Yang.
Eat your own stupid cereal, Ruby.
Come on, don't be like that. You need this prize as much as I do. Don't deny it.
Ruby, what is wrong with you? Go to sleep. I know you're in here.
Oh, look at you. You ate cereal all week and now you're sick. Yes, but I ate enough to get the prize. And when it gets here, you're gonna look so stupid.
Do you even know what the prize is?
No, but I'm about to find out.
Package for Ruby Rose?
Hooray! I suffered for weeks,
ate my weight in cereal, all for this moment, and it's more cereal. Sadly, I don't think they make a prize for throwing up 101 boxes of cereal.
Yeah, I think we have a power strip inside the closet here. Aizawa! 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 Aizawa!
Cat Noir, emails. Dear Cat Noir, you haven't had a whole lot of luck asking Ladybug out. What was the worst pickup line you have ever used on her? From Kelly A. Oh, that's an easy one.
So did it hurt
Did what hurt?
when you fell from heaven?
Are you calling me a devil?
What? No.
Yeah, because fallen angels are devils.
Well, that's not.
Thanks, Cat.
That's not what I. All right. Hey, Ladybug, what do you think of my new shirt?
Ooh, looks great on you.
Thanks. You should come over here and feel it. It's really soft.
Ooh, it is soft. What's that made out of?
Boyfriend material.
Did you buy that just to ask her what that material was made out of?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. I don't care. Whatever. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Kid, where are you?
Oh, my leg! Oh, my leg!
Did you sprain it?
Oh, I think I need to go to the hospital.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my gosh, because I broke my leg falling for you.
And you're fine.
Ah, no, come on. That was a good one. That was good. Ow! Oh, I think I really did sprain it. Ow. Ah.
All right. What else do we need?
We need spaghetti noodles and sauce.
Spaghetti noodles and sauce.
Oh, don't forget, we also need to add a date with me. SpaghettiOs, please.
Oh, you poor desperate thing, you.
So actually, no, Kelly. I wouldn't say I've used any bad pickup lines. I mean, they're all golden.
Cat Noir, have you seen my cell phone?
Oh, yeah, it's here, but there's something wrong with it.
What's wrong with it?
Doesn't have my phone number in it.
Oh my god.
Wait, no, no, really, it doesn't have my phone. I got a new number, Ladybug. No, you need to put it in. I was being serious.